Hello everyone, for those interested in making their own stuff, today I will guide you on how to build a remote igniter. This is how mine turned up so far. As we can see, it works just as I wanted. And before you click away saying it doesn't ignite anything, stay till the end to see it in action. It's not finished yet, as I will change the box as it didn't turn up as I wanted. Here at the back I wanted to have quick access to the charging port, but after the box was printed I changed my mind and wanted to have access to everything through only one side of the box. So again, this is how it works. Pressing the switch turns on the red LED and pressing the buttons on the remote turns on the green LED while heating up the nichrome wire. This here is the port where I'll be inserting the wires. The parts are pretty much self-explanatory. First, we got the main switch, which does what you're supposed to do, switch on and off. Here we are looking at 433 MHz receiving module, which operates at anywhere between 3.7 volts to 24 volts, which makes it perfect for our compact remote igniter. Type-C charging module, which will be connected between the battery and the receiving module, helping us to charge and discharge the battery accordingly. Here we got the status LEDs. The red one is indicating when the igniter is on, and the green one will be indicating when the igniter is engaged. .15 mm nichrome wire, which will act as our fuse igniter. Our 3.7 volts battery holder. Of course, our 3.7 volts battery, which both together with the battery holder, both are 18650 series. Here we got the 433 MHz remote control. And that's all when it comes to parts. Let's have a look at the wiring diagram. Let's have a look. Here we got the receiving module with the antenna replaced, as the old one got snapped fairly easy. The new antenna is glued around the circuit, as you can see it here as well, and comes around, ending up somewhere about here. Here we got the charging module connected to the battery and the receiving module. This amount of glue is not necessary, but it helps in my project to keep the wires in one place and preventing excessive movement. Now the main control board. Here we got the green LED, the red LED, the main switch and the wire connector below. I went for this type of wire connector over hard wiring, as if I want a different wire length I can change it easy and quick. And yeah, this is pretty much everything. Now let's put it back together and see it in action. While I am putting everything together, I think this is the perfect moment to mention how I come up with this project. Well, with the Christmas and New Year around the corner, I knew that I wanted to fire up some fireworks or some firecrackers, but I wanted to do it safely. I looked online for something compact and smart, and I couldn't find something that I liked. So I decided to build my own, and here we are. I know that this is not a perfect finish, but it does the job. Perhaps it's not even the most compact remote igniter out there. Perhaps it could have been done better, but hey, if you got ideas of how to improve my project, drop a comment and I'll make sure I'll read all of them to make this project better. The box will be made again by 3D printing with the help of a friend of mine, which, by the way, if you want the 3D files, I'll put a link in the description amongst the list of parts I used in this project. And yeah, this is pretty much our remote igniter. Let's see it in action, shall we?